I like the fit. I like this setup. I got my MacBook and I got my other laptop.
Hey, turn it up, so.
About to get my shit real quick. Oh yes, sir. Damn, bro. Something abnormal to me, right? Like, I always have to work so hard for my things. I just came to Walmart. I'm gonna get an adapter for my microphone so I can plug it into my laptop, because I want to pretty much break down the trades that I do, but like the microphone that I have, it only has a plug-in for like the iPhone port, so I'm about to get that right now. I just got some gas right now too. And yeah, man, it's a slow day. I don't know if I want to get a haircut today or wait until Wednesday because of Thanksgiving. I don't know yet. I got some things to do today. It's a slow day. It's Sunday. It's pretty much a day to reset and to plan out for tomorrow, like especially for the trades. Like I really got to go into the charts tonight and just pretty much see what price is going to do tomorrow, what my bias is going to be. But besides that, I'm about to get this shit from Walmart. And yeah, I like the fit. I like this little zip up that I got. It's cool, man. But yeah, about to get to it. Hopefully that one works. I don't know why they gave it to me in a box, bro. Oh, and then I got a little pan because I need for my eggs to cook my meals and shit, because the one I had is all old. And some shit for turkey. So I'm thinking about getting this one, but like it's 700, almost 700. But like it's a M1. And I could get a M2 on Best Buy for like, I want to say 700. Like I was saying in the store, like I could get that MacBook because it's like 600, 700, and like, but it's an M1. I can get an M2 for like around the same price, probably like 750. And in my opinion, I think it was like the dark blue one. I like that colorway, and I'd rather get an M2. So I'm gonna just wait, probably just till Cyber Monday, or I don't know. I'm just gonna wait because I know there's gonna be more deals and stuff. And I just gotta be patient, bro. I still gotta I just gotta be patient. I gotta work with what I have, but I can upgrade that sooner or later. But yeah, let's get to it. I'm about to go home, make some breakfast, and just keep the day going, keep the day rolling. So right now I came to the mall. I'm about to go pick up some stuff for my son. And like I said earlier, I was going to wait for my MacBook, but I ended up buying it. I'm about to go pick it up right now. I bought a couple other things as well. I bought a hard case for it, and I think I also bought an SD card as well. I'm going to get my camera in the upcoming week, or probably in 2 more weeks, but I got out the way just because my laptop is very slow, bro, and I got a lot of shit to do. I got so many videos to edit, and I got so much more things to do, and having 2 laptops might benefit me. I might sell the other one, or might just keep it. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna go pick that up. And yeah, I'm about to get my shit real quick. Oh yes, sir. Pretty much I got the MacBook, and I also got a hard case for it, and I got an SD card. I'm getting the camera soon. I'm gonna just wait, I think probably next week or this week, because I think that might have a deal on Black Friday, because this had a deal. I think it was like 700. So I mean, hey, I got the laptop. I can't make no excuses, and we're about to go home. I'm about to set this up real quick, and I'm limited on time. It's my last day of work, but still I gotta go back to work. And yeah, man, just get to it. Just get to work. Videos are gonna go harder. Tomorrow's a new trading day. And yeah, pretty much about to set this up, and let's go. Let's get it. I also got a SD card, and I want to say like a hard case for the MacBook. But one thing that I really want to tell you guys is, like, this feels surreal to me, because yeah, it's a regular laptop and I upgraded my setup and everything, right? I feel like, honestly, this is like my birthday gift to myself, because I was delaying my gift because because I was waiting for like Black Friday and all this shit, right? But what I really wanted to say was what I was reflecting on this right now is like, me growing up, I didn't grow up broke or poor, right? Like, I had my basic needs. My parents gave me everything that they could, right? But me having these good things kind of feels weird, you know? It doesn't feel normal, right? Something abnormal to me, right? Like, I always have to work so hard for my things now that I'm an adult, and it's easier for me to buy myself some nice things. Like, don't get me wrong, like, this is easy, right? Me being able to afford good stuff for myself, like, kind of feels surreal, bro, because of my upbringings, right? And I'm not saying that my parents never gave me, no, they gave me everything they could. I grew up in a loving home, you get what I'm saying? But they gave me my basic necessities, right? But I still remember to this day, my first phone, I bought it myself. It was an iPhone 6. I bought it off Amazon. It was one of the reconstructed ones. And I saved up $200. I think I was still a freshman in high school. And by cutting hair, and I saved my money, and I bought my first phone, right? And right now, it's like, I feel so proud of myself. I feel so proud of that young boy, because I've been working so hard since a young age to give myself these things, man. And it actually feels so surreal. And I know that I could turn this into a reality now. Like, I have my equipment, I have everything. I just gotta keep pushing, keep going. It's something that I never pretty much, it's a regular laptop, bro, don't get me wrong. But like, sometimes I feel like I don't deserve these things, right? It doesn't feel right. Sometimes I feel like I don't deserve it because of how I grew up. It's just, I don't know, it's not something bad, but it's like, it never sat right with me, you know? But now it's becoming more of a reality to me. It's becoming more normal to me to have better things for myself, to be able to afford nice things, to be able to do nice things, right? You gotta let go of that mentality. You gotta become a new person. You gotta understand that it's okay to do those things. And part of it is because of my traumas and my experiences, that I've never rewarded myself. I was never okay with me enjoying things, right? It's something that I still struggle with. It's something that I gotta work on. But man, I'm so blessed, and I thank God for allowing me to be able to do these things, allowing me to have good stuff. And it's not about the material stuff, bro. Trust me, I'm not a materialistic person. I have very good things. Trust me, like, I love every single thing I have. I take good care of my things, right? But it's like, this makes me feel good in a way, because like, life's changing, bro. Trust me, like, life's changing, and life is only going to get better. I'm comfortable spending a good amount of money on things that I need, things that my son needs. I'm comfortable doing this now. But since I didn't grow up doing that, like, it feels weird, but at the same time, it's surreal. But like, I know it's going to get better, and I just gotta get used to it, bro. I gotta get used to it, because it's going to be my new reality, right? And I feel like me coming from a Hispanic background, it's like, we go through that a lot. Like, it's not normal for us to enjoy good things without feeling that guilt, you know? But I want to change that. I don't want my son to go through that shit, and I don't want to go through that shit no more, because everything is going to change. Like, I'm telling you, once I keep working and keep grinding my ass off with trading, and once everything just falls into place, we're going to enjoy better things. We're going to leave those child habits, those ingrained habits, that mentality that is ingrained within me. I'm gonna leave that behind, bro. All I really need now is my, like, I think I said it earlier, my camera. And I'm gonna just wait, because I did spend like a band on this shit, bro. Like, everything together was like almost 900 with the tax and everything. So I still gotta I'm gonna just wait, because I'm moving to a new apartment as well, so I'm gonna need some money for the deposit and all that stuff. I could have done that shit, bro. Like, I could have bought everything, but I'm trying to make more smart decisions. And probably that camera, the Osmos Pocket 3, it might go on sale for Black Friday on their page. I don't know, but we'll see. Besides that, let me get to it. I'm about to set this up, because I gotta be at work in an hour. And yeah, let me play around with it. Pause. But let me set this shit up real quick, and yeah, we'll get to it. Everything's gonna get better. The quality, audio, everything, bro. Trust me. I'm 1 subscriber away from hitting 150, bro. It's not even the end of the month, bro. Trust me, like, everything is going to fall into place. I'm going to bring you guys some more content, more value, more trading, more life advice. Once I get settled in my new apartment, I have a whole brainstorm idea to set up my workout stuff and everything. Trust me, I'll explain to y'all later. Let me get to this shit real quick. I didn't record an ending because after work I was just pretty much setting everything up and I was editing another video. I was just recording for the day. That's what I gotta stop doing, bro. I don't know, sometimes I be getting so much footage on my phone and I forget that whatever I'm recording, I'm not editing that at the moment. I'm still behind on the project. Like today I'm editing Sunday's video while it's Monday, while I'm still recording for Monday, you know. But it was it was an amazing purchase, and honestly, man, it was meant to be. Since the morning I was asking God for a lot of things, man, not materialistic stuff or anything, right? But on Sundays I was at Walmart because I needed to get a new frying pan and some stuff for Thanksgiving, right? And I came across the MacBook there. I saw it and it just caught my eye because I don't know if y'all seen on, I think it was yesterday's or it was one of my most recent videos where I was complaining a lot about my laptop, right? I was really complaining a lot about it, that it was giving me problems, that it was slow. And as I was editing them, I was realizing, like, damn, bro, like, now you're on this new laptop because you visualize yourself having it and you ask God for better things and better blessings. You were just patient. I was still, don't get me wrong, I was getting so frustrated that it was taking me almost 2 hours to export a video from CapCut. And then it was going to take me another hour or 2 hours to, like, upload that video, right? That's why I haven't been very consistent. I want to be able to upload at a certain time each day to build a habit, you know. But with the laptop that I had, bro, that was not possible because I would be stuck there for a good 2-3 hours just on downloading and exporting a video, right? It delayed me a lot, and then sometimes the video was almost halfway downloaded and it would just freeze and stuff, you know. The battery would die out after 30 minutes. But what really had me like thinking is, like, if you're really going to get this camera, you need to upgrade the laptop, because if you're going to export, those videos are going to come out in 4K. So trust me, like, that laptop was not going to be able to take that hit. And pretty much it was a very irrational decision because I literally had seen it in the morning, and while I was home just making my breakfast and just editing, I was working on that current video. Bro, I got so fucking pissed. I went on Best Buy and I had a deal on the M2s. It was like around $700 plus tax. I ended up paying $800, which is not bad, bro. Trust me, it's worth every dime. And I also seen the camera, but like I'm telling you guys, I'm about to move. Today is Monday. Tomorrow I gotta do a lot of stuff. Stay tuned for that. If y'all want to move out from your parents' house, or if you ever want to move out, I'll show you what it takes, bro. It's easy. You need a money order. It's almost the same shit every time. A money order, proof of income, and proof of old residency. But it's nothing out of this world. Like I was saying, since I'm about to move, it's not a responsible thing for me to go all out on those two purchases because I really need some. Damn, bro, I need to have this cushion for when I move and shit, right? So the most responsible decision was to just hold on. And it's fine, bro, because right now I'm appreciating everything that I have, man. And honestly, that camera, I am going to be patient. And boy, y'all better stay tuned for tomorrow's video because I made $1,000 today. I'm one step closer to passing my funded. Y'all gotta stay tuned. Once we pass that funding, boy, I'm telling you, once we pass that funded, we're gonna change things around. We gotta be more responsible. We gotta be more focused and more sharp for what's coming, bro. Like I tell you guys, I'm entering this new chapter in my life. I just turned 23, I want to say a week ago. And man, each and every day I give myself these affirmations, telling myself that I am a man now. I gotta let go of that young version of myself because that ain't going to take me nowhere. And I look around and I look at the people my age, bro, and I see that I have so much potential, man. Trust me, people around my age don't think like me. And maybe the factor is that I have a son, right? Maybe that's the factor, but I'm so blessed that I have that factor that pushes me and shows me that I got to give it 110% more because somebody else depends on me, you know? Yeah, man, like I just gotta be more responsible. I know I got so many great things ahead of me. I got so many things to accomplish. I got so many dreams that I have to make a reality, you know? Sometimes I just don't want to do it, man. And it's not about not doing it. It's about having your non-negotiables. You guys think I like to wake up at 4 in the morning every day? I don't like it. But if I don't do the things that I don't like, I'm not going to be able to achieve my dreams because it takes you. It's a mental battle, bro. Trust me, it's a mental battle. Whenever you think you ain't got nothing left in the tank, that's when you keep on pushing. Y'all seen me go sleepless. Y'all seen me tired. Y'all seen me with my fucking eye bags. Y'all seen me look crazy, bro.
but it's eventually paying off, bro. Trust. This trading thing is something that has changed my life for good, and also this content creation as well. It has changed my life for good as well because it keeps me accountable for myself, and also like it gives me an opportunity to share my message with the world, to show you guys that it's possible to do things beyond what we were brought up. Like I said earlier on the video, coming from a Hispanic background, we are never told that we can do things. Specifically men, bro, we're never told that we can do things. We're never told that we, it's kind of like a you figure out life by yourself, and it's not that many mentors behind you. It's not that many people there for you when you need it. It's a grimy situation, bro, and it's something that I've seen around me a lot, and it's just something that I'm trying to change. It's something that I'm not trying to hold on to no more, and it's something that I don't want to pass on to my son no more. I want to be a great man of high value, a great man, the cornerstone of my family. I want to be the cornerstone of my whole family. If anybody wants to reach out to me, if anything, I want to be that person that changes the direction that our life is taking. That changes that hard wiring that we have in our mindset. But besides that, I really just want to thank the Lord for everything that I have, for all of my blessings. It's an amazing thing, man. And trust me, everything else is going to come into a reality. Everything is going to get fulfilled. This reality that I dream of, this reality, these visions, these prayers, these blessings that the Lord already has answered for me, it's just a matter of me walking down the aisles of life and collecting them, bro. I tell the Lord every day in my prayers that I accept every blessing that He has given me, right? I'm just going to keep walking down and collecting all these blessings. Like yesterday was my new MacBook. That was one blessing. Today was another $1,000 win on the combine. So let's see what tomorrow brings. And the thing is, like, if everything for me is a blessing, even a lesson learned, let's say tomorrow I lose or something happens, like my car, like if y'all check my previous videos, like I've been through things as well, right? And I take them as a lesson, because if you don't take them as lessons, bro, if you just dwell on the bad things but you want the good things to happen, that's not how it works. You gotta understand it. It falls back to the trading psychology and to the mindset thing that you have to have in order to be a profitable trader and to be a better individual, is that mindset of being able to accept the hard things but also being able to enjoy the good things, and understanding that it's not always going to be a good thing, man. It's not always going to be a good thing. But guess what? You try again tomorrow, because losers stay down. Winners fall down. Every time they fail, they fall down. But guess what? They keep getting up. On that note, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Keep watering your own garden, boys. And hey, we about to reach it. We about to get funded. We about to reach our goals. This November is about to end. I'm gonna show y'all my checklist that I have for November. I'll take a screenshot today so y'all don't see that I'm fucking changing shit. But yeah, man, we're accomplishing each and every goal that we're setting ourselves to do, and I can't wait for what December brings. I can't wait for what January brings. It's a slow grind, bro, but trust me, 2 months, I'm already at 150 subs. Who knows what 6 months can bring? Who knows what a year can bring, Besides that, see y'all boys tomorrow. Have a blessed day.